In this video tutorial I will show you how can we create this type of trendy social media poster design. Create a new file with 1080 pixels width and 1080 pixels height. Now click to the trendy glutted paper texture as a background layer. Link in description. Then go to the curves and make it little darker. Group the layer and name it to base. Now use shoe image. You can download this from Google. Then adjust this image and hide this layer. Click to the base group layer and then press T for text tool. Then type your text. I will go with the text just do it. Now press Ctrl+T and adjust the text. Then change the font of the text like I use Joyride font. And make it duplicate 5 times like me. And change the font family second and fourth layer. Then make a group of these layers. Press right click and convert it smart object. Press right click again and play with the warp tool. Then go to filter options and play with the liquify tool. Now make it center align and open the shoe image. Go to the blending options and give it a nice drop shadow for a better effect. Then type your website name and trending banner to give a little spicy effects.